Hello, so when the Tesla Plaid 2021 was presented, we saw a lot of innovation. But did you notice a new change in the Tesla V11 software version? This is what we'll talk about today in this video. The latest available version of Tesla's operating system currently is version 10, which is installed by most Tesla owners and uses many features such as test access to full self-driving, which is only available to a limited number of Tesla owners at the moment. And also the autopilot has been greatly improved with the latest updates and developments in the AI field. There were functions such as automatic line change, a well-developed navigation menu, proximity gesture, and an improved navigation map. Or we can remember Joe mode, which has grown from a simple request from Twitter to a real feature available in a new version of operating system from Tesla, which adjusts the volume and allows children to sleep better. At the presentation of the Tesla Plaid version, along with many improvements to the battery and charging speed, the operating system, where we have already seen new functionality, was also presented, as well as a completely redesigned multimedia control system and Tesla's car control. At the presentation, Elon Musk announced a new function in which Tesla car will predict what you are trying to do. For an example, when you get into a car, you most likely want to go somewhere, and by analyzing your calendar and previous travel history, Tesla will not require any more action from the driver. Just sit down and drive off. No additional pressing on the gas pedal. As Elon Musk says, Tesla will read your mind. So let's go to the screen and what do we see there? Firstly, this is a completely redraw menu in a new way. Now all the functions are located in a new place. It will not be difficult to get used to them, because they are logically placed. For example, most of the screen is occupied by the main menu and navigation is very similar to the mobile operating system Apple and Android, which makes the functionality more convenient to use. Moving icons, another innovation in the Tesla V11 version. Now together with the familiar swipe gestures as in Apple and Android, make using Tesla cars very intuitive. The maps now looks significantly fresher, which paired with the new processor from Tesla and AMD that comes with the new Tesla Plaid make menu navigation blazing fast. Synchronization with the calendar is better than expected. It gives AI another opportunity to analyze and apply the settings that you must often use at any given time and will offer to apply them at the right time. And also by learning your schedule, Tesla will build routes and predict your trip, making the trip so relaxed and time efficient that most likely Tesla owners will soon say phrases such as "I did not notice that I had already arrived at my destination." The menu for managing Tesla car settings was not shown at the presentation, but knowing Tesla, we can assume that one of these days a video will be available on their YouTube channel with more details analysis of the new car menu control functions. Since the new Tesla Plaid now comes with a chip from AMD, the gaming component of the car has reached a new level, which now allow you to run Cyberpunk on the most complex graphics settings. It is possible that this Tesla processor, when the processor power is not used during the trip, will use Tesla Autopilot for additional assistance. This justifies buying the Plaid version of Tesla in comparison with any other Teslas that don't have this chip and therefore don't offer the same user experience. It also worth to remember that along with the presentation of Plaid version of Tesla, there was also an improvement in active noise isolation, which will analyze and improve the ambient noise and take the experience and comfort of listening to music while driving the new Tesla Plaid to the new level. This is the functionality that could also be included in other versions of Model S, 3 and Y, since there are no serious obstacles when implementing. The V11 version is expected to be available soon, and most likely is already available at the time you watch this video, for which I'm grateful to you. And you should also watch my video about Giga taxes, as it directly depends on how quickly the Plaid version will be massively available. Thank you for watching this video.